tier hierarchy. Common, baseline standard, the absolute floor of the system. Uncommon, minor specializations, basic refinements. Rare, notable power spikes, entry point for decent mercenaries. Epic, high tier competence. Exotic, good luck. Rare, non-standard traits that deviate from your typical progression. Legendary, renowned, world-class power limits coveted by the factions. Fable, the high-tier bridge. Epic historical weight, right on the edge of breaking reality. Mythic, reality warping territory. Ascended / celestial, that is absolutely divine, adjacent platforms directly tied to deities or cosmic cores. Of course, there is one that I am forgetting. One that is the outlier, something different that can change even the most basis of the aspects and make them astounding. Unique, the rule breakers. Unique sits completely parallel to the standard ladder. It represents an absolute cosmic scarcity. There is a hard cap on how many uniques can exist in the universe for a class, job, or bloodline at any given time.